In this video, you'll learn how to reset the factory settings on your Pixel 5a. By following these steps, you will return your device to its original state, removing all personal data and settings. First, unlock your Pixel 5a and locate the Settings app, which is typically found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you've opened the Settings app, scroll down through the menu until you see the option labeled System. Tap on System to accessing band settings related to your device. After entering the System menu, look for the option that says Reset Options. This section contains various reset features that can help you manage your device. From this list, select Factory Data Reset to proceed. It is crucial to back up your data before continuing, as this step will erase all personal info from your device. Once you select Factory Data Reset, a screen will appear displaying important information about what will be erased during the process. This includes all apps, settings, and personal data stored on your device. Take the time to read this information carefully, ensuring you understand the consequences of performing this reset. Confirm that you've backed up any important files to prevent accidental data loss. Next, tap on Release All Data to initiate the factory reset. If prompted, enter your device PIN to confirm your identity. After this, your phone will begin the reset process automatically. During this time, you may see a progress bar indicating that the reset is in progress. It is essential to wait until the process completes and your device restarts on its own. Once your Pixel 5 has restarted, you will be presented with the initial setup screen, allowing you to set up your phone as new or restore from a backup if you have. Performing a factory reset can resolve various system issues, but it should only be used when necessary to ensure you do not lose important data. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.